Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Mehrnگ, representative of Baloch Ekjehti Committee, a campaign group that advocates the rights and well-being of the Baloch people. My father was forcibly disappeared by Pakistani intelligence agencies and extrajudicially killed in custody. My younger brother also became a victim of enforced disappearances and suffered torture for months. But today I am not here to represent my case, but address you as a representative of Baloch people who have endured unimaginable suffering so far for too long. I am here to plead the international community to intervene in Balochistan and put an end to the grave human rights violation in Balochistan. The people of Balochistan have faced systemic oppression, enforced disappearances, extrajudicial killings, fake encounters, and a blatant disregard for their basic human rights. A slow, calculated genocide underway in Balochistan has made our communities live in constant fear for decades. The Baloch people have continuously protested against the human rights violations committed by Pakistani state forces. However, so far, our cries for justice have often fallen on deaf ears. The time has come for the international community represented here as the United Nations to take a stand for Balochistan. We implore you to investigate the human rights abuses in Balochistan, hold the perpetrators accountable and bring justice to the victims. We request the United Nations to send a fact-finding mission to Balochistan to independently assess and understand the challenges faced by Baloch people. We seek your support in ensuring that our children can grow up in a world free from fear and oppression. I urge each one of you to unite in the name of justice and take action in Balochistan.